One of the things that's happening is a change in the real dynamic of the way people approach content, and particularly entertainment to a certain extent, and other forms of media. But the idea that now, and this is a theme we heard a lot on Monday as well, is access. It's not about necessarily the device you use. It's not necessarily about how you choose to use it, but it's how you get that content. So I think like one example is Netflix has found a way to cut across, with its ubiquity, to cut across devices and platforms so that if you have a subscription to it once, no matter what you're using that they're on, you can access the content that they have, their movies and TV shows. It's dated, some of it, and that's part of the issue. Some of it is brand new since their new deal with Saturday Night Live. They have a little bit of fresh, new content, but it's there. So when you look at what's going on right now with a lot of the device-specific content flow, deals that are made specifically to put something on a Samsung Galaxy or specifically to put something on an iPhone or an iTunes store, I think the time is approaching where what you have to think about is how is that content going to live off of that device? And whether it's you want to call it the cloud or however you want to call it, the way we're going to end up dealing with rights issues and a whole lot of other things is by separating how you get it from where you get it.